Hello and hi, here's a more detailed explanation of each of the 15 amazing inventions. 1. Self-healing materials. Explanation: these are materials that can automatically repair cracks, scratches, or other forms of damage without human intervention. They mimic biological systems like skin, which heals itself after injury. How it changes life: imagine cars, phones, or even buildings that can heal after damage, reducing maintenance costs, downtime, and environmental waste. This can lead to products that last longer and reduce the need for frequent replacements. 2. Smart contact lenses. Explanation: these are contact lenses embedded with tiny sensors and circuits, capable of displaying information directly in your line of sight or monitoring health indicators. How it changes life: they could replace traditional glasses or smartphones for some tasks, providing instant data, such as glucose levels for diabetics or real-time navigation. They could also offer augmented reality (AR) overlays, making your world interactive without bulky devices. 3. 3D printed food. Explanation: 3D food printers create edible meals layer by layer, using ingredients like doughs, pastes, or purees. The technology allows precision in ingredient composition, texture, and shape. How it changes life: this could revolutionize cooking, enabling chefs and individuals to create customized meals tailored to dietary needs, preferences, or nutritional profiles. It could also help combat food waste by only printing the amount of food required. 4. Graphene-based batteries. Explanation: graphene is a one-atom-thick layer of carbon atoms arranged in a honeycomb lattice, making it incredibly strong, light, and conductive. Batteries using graphene could charge faster, last longer, and store more energy than traditional ones. How it changes life: faster charging phones, electric cars with extended range, and longer-lasting energy storage systems for renewable energy sources like solar or wind power could become the norm. 5. Personal AI assistants. Explanation: AI-powered virtual assistants are becoming smarter and more personalized, capable of managing daily tasks like scheduling, messaging, controlling smart home devices, or even handling finances. How it changes life: they can streamline your daily routine by automating repetitive tasks, making life more efficient. Future personal AIs could anticipate your needs, like reminding you of appointments, suggesting meals, or even helping with decision-making. 6. Vertical farming. Explanation: vertical farming is the practice of growing crops in stacked layers, often indoors, under controlled environments. It utilizes technologies like LED lighting, hydroponics, and aeroponics to grow plants without soil. How it changes life: it allows fresh produce to be grown in urban environments, reducing transportation costs and making fresh food more accessible. It also uses less water and space compared to traditional farming, potentially solving food shortages in densely populated areas. 7. Augmented reality glasses. Explanation: AR glasses overlay digital content onto the physical world, allowing users to see and interact with virtual objects as though they were part of the real environment. How it changes life: AR glasses could revolutionize industries like education, design, and healthcare by allowing real-time data, instructions, or graphics to be superimposed on real-world settings. You could work hands-free while receiving instructions or virtual guides in your line of sight. 8. Wearable health monitors. Explanation: these devices, like smartwatches or fitness trackers, continuously monitor health metrics such as heart rate, sleep patterns, oxygen levels, and even blood sugar levels for diabetics. How it changes life: they empower individuals to take charge of their health by providing real-time data and insights, enabling early detection of potential health issues and more personalized healthcare. 9. Autonomous delivery drones. Explanation: delivery drones are autonomous flying devices that can carry packages and deliver them to locations without the need for human intervention. How it changes life: these drones could speed up delivery times, especially in hard-to-reach places, while reducing traffic congestion and lowering shipping costs. They could play a crucial role in emergencies, delivering medical supplies quickly to disaster areas. 10. Brain-machine interfaces, BMIs. Explanation: BMIs are devices that connect the brain directly to external devices or computers, allowing for communication between the mind and machines without the need for traditional input methods like keyboards or touchscreens. How it changes life: this technology could allow people with disabilities to control prosthetic limbs or computers just by thinking, providing a new level of independence. In the future, it might even allow people to interact with technology or each other telepathically. 11. Smart mirrors. Explanation: smart mirrors look like regular mirrors but are equipped with digital displays and sensors that can show useful information such as the weather, your schedule, or beauty tips. Some models even have facial recognition and AR capabilities. How it changes life. Imagine starting your day by looking in the mirror and instantly seeing your appointments, makeup suggestions, or clothing recommendations based on the weather. They could also be used in retail to virtually try on outfits. 12. Lab-grown meat. Explanation: this is real meat that's grown in labs using cultured animal cells instead of raising and slaughtering animals. How it changes life. Lab-grown meat could offer a more ethical and sustainable alternative to traditional livestock farming, which is resource-intensive and has a significant environmental footprint. It could reduce greenhouse gas emissions, land use, and animal cruelty while still providing meat products to consumers. 13. Solar-powered roads. Explanation: these roads are embedded with solar panels that can generate electricity from sunlight. They often have the potential to power surrounding infrastructure or even charge electric vehicles driving on them. How it changes life. Solar roads could transform roads into dual-purpose infrastructure, helping power nearby cities or towns and reducing reliance on non-renewable energy sources. They could also generate energy for streetlights, traffic signals, and public transport. 14. Biodegradable plastics. Explanation: these are plastics made from natural materials like starch or algae that can break down much faster than traditional plastics, which take hundreds of years to decompose. How it changes life. With plastic pollution being a major environmental issue, biodegradable plastics can help reduce waste and the impact of single-use plastics. They could replace conventional plastics in packaging, reducing landfill use and ocean pollution. 15. Exoskeletons for mobility. Explanation: exoskeletons are wearable robotic suits that can assist or enhance the wearer's physical movements. They are particularly beneficial for people with mobility impairments. How it changes life. These devices can help people with disabilities or injuries regain the ability to walk or perform physical tasks, providing greater independence and quality of life. In industries like construction or healthcare, exoskeletons can also be used to assist workers in physically demanding tasks. These inventions represent the intersection of technology and daily life, offering solutions to health, sustainability, and convenience that can profoundly change the way we live. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. For more video like this, like and subscribe my YouTube channel.